Kindergarten at GCCS is so incredibly special because we put the emphasis on the child as an individual. We want parents to understand that as your child enters kindergarten, it is our job to develop that love for school and to instill in them a love for learning. When a child is entering into kindergarten, parents have lots of responsibilities and lots of fears as well, but I want to assure those parents that in Greater Clark, we will do everything possible to meet the needs of their child. Parents can feel assured that their child is in such good hands each and every day. It does help if the child has worked at home on letters and letter sounds, holding a pencil correctly, even starting to write some letters. But if not, those are all skills that we will address in kindergarten and work on. I've said that kindergarten is the most rewarding because we teach the most skills, I feel, in kindergarten. We take a child who maybe doesn't even know but a few letters, and by the end of kindergarten, they're reading. So we ask parents that if they want to work with their children on letter sounds and identifying letters, also numbers, identifying those first 10 numbers to start with at the beginning of the school year, that's always beneficial. The kindergarten experience at Greater Clark County Schools is so incredibly special because we have such talented teachers and certified staff to meet the needs of our children. We work every day to make certain that each child feels happy, healthy, and safe. And not only the child, but the parent as well. Because they're dropping their child at the door each day, and they want to know that they're sending their child into a happy, healthy, and safe environment. And most especially that first year of school, where we want to make them develop that love of learning. And because we put such an emphasis on the individual child, we make certain that their needs are met and that they feel special as they leave. So not only just as our school corporation offers a special education experience for our kindergartners, the kindergartners need to know that they too are special.
There you go, divide between your consonants.